Hi, welcome to this question. So, this question says that there is a medicine cup capsule which is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to it to each of its ends. Now let's draw this cylinder first. Suppose this is the cylinder, right? And there are two hemispheres which are stuck on its ends, right? Let's draw a little bigger one with a different color also so that you can clearly understand. Suppose this is how it is, right? And this part is suppose like this. Now this is the whole capsule which is in the form of a cylinder and has got two hemispheres stuck on each of its ends, right? Now the length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. So the length of the entire capsule meaning the length of this part, right? This is 14 millimeter, this whole part, right? And the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. So when the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter, that means the radius, which is this, because the center of the capsule, the base of the capsule will be this. So this part is the half of it. So that means this is, I would write 2.5 millimeter, this distance. Okay. Let me just use some other color so that it is very clear, right? So from point here till here it is 2.5 millimeters. Similarly, from point here till here it is going to be 2.5 millimeter, right? Now the important part is that the length of the cylindrical part is going to be this much, right? This is where I am drawing this gray color line. This will be the length of the cylinder. Now this part is going to be equal to this will be equal to 14 minus this 2.5 and then this 2.5. So 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, and that's equal to 9 millimeter. Now we have got all the important measurements here, right, which will be helpful to calculate whatever has been asked so far in this particular question. And what we need to do is we need to find out the surface area of the medicine capsule, right? This is what we need to find out. So the surface area of the capsule is equal to the surface area of the cylindrical part of the cylinder plus surface area of both the hemispheres, right? So that's very simple. Let's just simply put the formulas. We know that the surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH plus surface area of one hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And since there are 2 pi r square, there are two hemispheres, what we will do is we will multiply this with 2, right? And now let's put the values and we will solve it. So first we will get 2 pi r as common and h meaning 9, right? That's the length of the cylinder. So 9 plus 2 pi r has gone outside. So this 2 is here. So 2 multiplied by r. R meaning 2.5, right? So let's further simplify it. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r meaning 2.5, and what we get from the bracket is 14, right? So this goes here, and if we further simplify, then it's like 22 multiplied by 10, right? So that's what we get, and the answer is 220 squared millimeter, right? That's the surface area of the medicine, of the capsule which we have here. So I hope you could understand, and this question was simple enough. Again, it was a game of the diagram which we could draw here, and once you draw the diagram, then it's very, very simple. So keep watching these videos. I am coming with more videos with solving all the detailed solutions of all the questions, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.